This video we are going to discuss about screw spindle and cup. Okay, so in the screw spindle, so this is the third part. So there are given only one view. Okay, and also that view is partially section view, that we can take it as a front view. Okay, so what is the dimensions they are given in the year? This is the 38 into 7 mm. So 38 into 7 mm. So that 7 is the pitch, and what is the height over this? This will be a 240 minus 83. 240 minus 83 means almost 157. Okay, 157. So what happens? This is the 3 mm. That is the thing you have to remember. Only this 3 mm it will becomes as a cylindrical portion, but remaining, that means remaining 154 mm it comes as the threaded over here. Threading has to be done over here. So this is the point should have to be remembered over here. Okay, some go to here, select a solid part and go over here, select revolve protrusion again, go on, select the front view, select a line. So from the line from here to, what is the height? What is height? 240 mm. Okay, the 240 mm I am going to draw a line. 240 enter and give fit. Now after that, so M12 mm depth, M12 mm dia. So the hole is coming over here, threaded hole. M means V shape. M means V shape threaded and having that 12 mm diameter. So M12 means 6 mm, and up to this one will be the 22 mm. So that this line again I am going to draw a 2 line. So 6 mm and again 5 mm line. Okay, so because 12 means in the top 6. So 6 mm line, and M22 means 11 mm. So already we drawn up to 6 mm length. So the remaining is 5 mm. So after drawing the 5 mm, I am going to move downward. So how much mm? That is the 13 mm length. So 13 mm length, I am going to draw a line towards downward and right side. So what is the right side? How much mm it has to go? So what is the outer diameter is the, they will be given as a 65 mm. So 65 mm means 32.5. So 32.5 already we drawn up to 11 mm. So 32.5 minus 11 mm, I think 21.5 mm. So 32.5 minus 11, getting us a 21.5 mm. So the 21.5 mm line I drawn. Then afterwards I am going to make a this length from here to this one. So what is this length? They have not given. So from 83 minus up to here they given us a 13 mm distance. 83 minus 13, 70 mm. So I am going to draw as a 70 mm line. Then I am going to move towards left side. So what is this diameter? 19. Okay, so this will be the 32.5. So 32.5 minus 19. So it will be around some 13.5 mm. So 32.5 minus 19 mm. So 13.5 mm. Then left and right click. So this length I am going to move towards down. So from here to I am going to join over here. So what is the length of this? So what is the length of this? That is the 157 mm. Already we have mesh calculated. So that is the 240 minus 83 is the 157 mm length. So up to 157 mm length it has to be drawn over here. Now I am going to draw this particular hole over here. The particular hole, what is the length? So up to 30 mm the threading is coming. The remaining 5 mm it is the plain surfaces, plain cylindrical hole. So okay, so that 35 mm, and I am going to make the V shape this one. So that select zoom option the particular area. So this is the line I already told you, that is I drawn for the reference purpose. That line I am going to trim it. Select a line. So from here to towards down I am going to draw a 35 mm line, and use of here towards this side. So towards left side it is going to make this angle as a 180 plus 45 225 mm. So 225 mm angle I am going to provide. So once it will be crosses I am going to stop. Then use of trim option, this line and this line I am going to trim it. So after trim it, so then what are all the other things I want to do? So this is the chamfer. Here the thing is I am going to make it as a chamfer. So the chamfer value will be provided here, that is a 10 into 45 degree. So select fillet option nearby here, the chamfer is there. Select the chamfer. So what are all the lines? This and this line. So what is the angle? Angle we have to maintain 45, and setback, that is the 10 mm they given. Setback A is 10 mm, and again this also 10 mm. So left and right click. Same like here also I am going to select left and right click and give fit. After giving the fit, go on select the axis of revolution. Along with the line it has to be rotate. So those line I selected as axis of revolution. Give return. So angle as and give fit. So 360 degree. So if you have selected this, that screw spindle has to be created over here. Finish. Okay. Even here also you can see the screw spindle. It is looks like in this manner. So this is the cup. The next is the screw spindle. What are all the other alterations we have to do in the screw spindle? Means in the middle I am going to make a hole. Okay, before going to make a hole I am going to save the drawing. So that is the screw spindle. So after saving this, go to here, select the cutout option. Now the cutout option, mid plane, either this or this one, because it is a circular one. Either both the plane if you select, it will be comes over there. So this is the plane I am going to select. Give a fit. So fit from the how much distance the hole is coming. So from the bottom they given as a 35 mm height it is coming. Okay, so from here what is the diameter? 12 mm. Okay, so 12 mm diameter and 35 mm height. So select a line. So from bottom here to 35 mm, 35, and select a circle over here. So from here to what is the dia? Dia is 12 mm. So after drawn the 12 mm dia and select a line, going to delete. So then give return. So use of cutout symmetric extent, because it will be comes from the plane only one side. So I want to make the hole into the both the sides. Okay, so use of the symmetric extent I am going to cut. So it will be cutted left and right click. Okay, so like this way we are going to make this cutout. So after done this cutout I am going to see the other side also it comes or not. So it come. So after that going to make the threaded it's come in the whole option. So the threaded is coming. So give straight one. Yes, from starting from here. What is the not cylinder direction? Finite value. I am going to give the finite values. Only the cylindrical portion is coming as a 3 mm. So that 154. So here it is a square thread option. Okay, so then give us a enter. So left and right click. So if you are given the 154 mm, it will be going to select as a full length. It's not an issue, you can leave it. Then same like threaded, the inner threaded portion you can create. So in this particular cylindrical part, that threading is coming. So from selected, starting from here. So what is the distance here? It is the finite value 30 mm, 30, and here also it has to be comes as a M12, but here it will be selected as a 14. So as it is, it's not an issue, can select it, finish it up, cancel. Okay, then you can give cancel. That's it. The screw spindle has to be created over here. Okay, so then you can go to the next one. What is the next part? That is the fourth one, cup. So the cup, so how to draw the cup? They given as a fully sectional view. Only these portions have to be created over here. Okay, so we will see in the video of the cup it is there. So this is the cup, washer and a screw, CSK screw. And cup, if you see over here, it's like this. Okay, the top it having the 4 semicircular holes over there, and also this area it will be a taper in one. So go to here, I'm going to close, select a solid part. Again I'm going to give the revolved protrusion command, select a plane, front plane. So from this select a line. So the line, what is the diameter over here? That is bottom one, the 45 mm up to 22.5 mm. It is coming as a fold. Okay, so that I'm going to select draw a 11.25 mm and 11.25 mm line. So what is the 22.5 mm in the top? It is the 11.25 mm, 11.25 mm, enter. And what is the other thing? So total length, so for total dia 45 means in the top 22.5. so all 22.5 means already we drawn from here to here 11.25. 22.5 minus 11.25, again it is the 11.25 mm. So after drawn this, that angle we could not know. So this angle, inclined line angle, there we are not knowing. So that again I am going to draw the height, and we can move from to the this end, then we can create it. Okay, so what is the full length, the length of this dia? So they are not given over. See the top view, that is the 65 mm. Okay, so select a line from the here to height is, what is the height? 42 mm height, 42 mm height, and towards this end is the 65 means 32.5 mm. So 32.5, enter, and I am going to join over here. Okay, so after join this, and what is the next step? The next step is the from here to what is the height? Okay, so 12 mm. Okay, so the 12 mm I am going to draw a one more line from here, 12, enter. So just I am going to make a one more line. That's it. Then go to the offset option, make it here as a single. I am going to select here this line. Why? Because of that line has to be moved over here in the distance of 6 mm. Okay, even if you are not seeing over here, you can see here the same screw job drawing. So the dimension they given as a 6 mm. Okay, so go over here, select the distance as a 6 mm, enter, left and right click. Okay, so after that go to the trim option from top. This is the line. Even this also I am going to trim. Here also I am going to trim. So this line I am going to delete. Okay, so select a trim. So this is the line I am going to Control Z. So why? Because of go to so this you can leave it and select a line. So from mid to 12 mm distance, make a straight line. Okay, and from this 11.25 line to one more line I am going to draw. Select a trim option over here. So those lines I am going to trim. Even here this line I am going to trim it. So actually I required this particular surface. Okay, so once it has to be created, so this line I am going to trim. So once this line has to be trimmed, select the axis of revolution as this one, then give return and give as a 360 degree. So the particular cup part, the initial position has to be drawn over here. So this I am going to save as a cup. So first initially these are all the things you have to make. After that the cutout. So what is the cutout? So here already I shown semicircular cutout. So those things I have to do over here. So for this, what is the diameter? You can see over here. So the diameter radius is they given as a 5. So select a cutout option. So these two planes are passing over mid of the component. So first one plane you can select a circle. So from exactly over this is the center point. Radius is 5 mm is diameter is 10 and coming out return. So use of symmetry extent I am going to make those cutout. Then again I am going to select cutout, this mid one, select a circle. So from here to I am going to make a 10 mm again. So then coming out, give return. So both the sides symmetry extent. So the cutout has to be created over here. So this has to be saved over here. So this is called it as cup. The cup has to be created like this. So here the initial profile for this one has to be created over like this one. So those profiles you have to create it over there. So these points you should have to be remember over there. Okay, so then after saving this I'm going to close it. So with that this particular video is going to be end. The remaining parts you will see in the next video.